What's up guys, Track Palmer here. If you have an 8th generation Honda Civic and the light that should be here that shows which gear you are in stop working, I will show you how to replace that bulb. At night, it should light up like this and show you the gear that you are in. It's night right now and the light is on. Notice that you can't see the gear that is selected because the bulb is blown. It should look like this. Notice that a few more bulbs here are blown also. There is another bulb over here that is also blown. A T5 replacement bulb is needed as well as a plastic pry tool. Let's start this job. Use the plastic pry tool and place under here, then pop this cover loose. Release these two clips holding this in place. The bulb is under here. And these wires are kinda holding this in place. Try releasing these wires under these clips so this can move around a bit more. Reach under here with the plastic pry tool to try release some clips holding the bulb housing under here. In my case, I was able to pull it apart. This fell off and I will put it back in place after installing the new bulb. Use any pointy nose pliers like this to remove the bulb and insert the new one. If you are using an LED bulb and it doesn't work, just turn it around and it should work. You can now see that the bulb is working, and you should test if yours is working before putting back everything in place. I'll now reinstall this cover. This should snap right back in place. Listen for it. There you go. Try putting these wires back in their clips. Also snap this cover back in place. You heard it. Finally, snap this cover back in place. The job is done. This is how it should look at night. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. But before you go, hit the like and subscribe button. See you on the next one, guys.